Welcome back, Navi.
Hello, teacher.
What did you do? What did you do, Navi?
I
What
go
did you
to
do?
the I go to the WC.
What WC? What is that?
It's the toilet.
Oh, okay. Toilet. Okay. To the CR, Navi. Comfort room. Okay, now
Why
let
you say this? Why you say CR, but in Vietnam it's WC.
we say CR, Navi, because wait, it's comfort room. CR. Comfort room. That's the toilet,
But
Navi.
we is WC.
Oh, really? Why? What does that mean? What does W stand for? That's why I don't know, Navi, because we call it CR. CR, comfort room, bathroom, toilet. Yeah, that means the same thing. But WC,
You
I don't
ask
know.
you you put on Google. You search WC.
Okay, WC. Where? CR. See, CR stands for comfort room. But WC, I don't know. No. Oh, water closet. Water closet. Yeah, so water closet, Navi. Okay, I just know it. I know it just
What is
now.
uh mm, water closet?
It's it's still the same as, I believe it means the same as comfort room. Yes. Yes. That's right, Navi. Okay, so going back here, Navi, can you tell me, do you play football at school?
No.
Oh no, you don't, but football is the most popular sport in Vietnam. Okay, so you don't play football.
Um,
You have break time at school, right? You have break time at school. What do you do at break time?
mm, I I just in class and I reading two books
Oh, I
or go to the library, right? Or
mm,
is in did you when you smart it you just do like me the
no,
same.
Navi. No. When I was young, when I was a student, Navi, at break time, I play with my friends.
What do you
Yes.
play?
We play stickers, rubber bands, marbles, a lot, cards. Or we chase each other, Navi. What else do we do? Yeah, we play hide and seek. Yeah, we do a lot of things. That is what students normally do here in the Philippines, Navi. At break time, they play. They don't study at break time.
Yes,
Okay, so now, do you like playing games?
yes I do.
What kind of games do you like to play?
I want to play tag.
Tag. Oh, okay. That's a very nice game, Navi. Now, what sport did you play after school? Do you play any sport after school? Oh, no, you don't. I believe you. you learn after school?
After school, I need to go go home and don't have time to play. In the afternoon, when I finish after school, I go to home.
Okay, you go home directly. You don't play with your friends. Okay. And when you come home, what do you do?
I go to wash my body and going eating dinner and study.
Okay, I see. So that is your routine. Thank you so much, Navi. Now we'll talk about toys. Do you have toys? Do you still play with your toys, Navi? No?
Yes, I have two toys.
What are those?
It's a teddy dolphin and a teddy bear.
Who gave it to you, Navi?
The teddy dolphin is my dad and my teddy bear is my mom.
Okay, and are those two your favorite toys? Or just one of them?
Every day when I don't have them, I cannot sleep.
You cannot sleep when you don't have the two of them? So what about,
Or don't have one hour don't sleep.
oh,
I need to have two.
what about if you travel, Navi? Like if you go to Ho Chi Minh, are you going to bring those two toys with you?
I need to bring two toys. My mom said to just bring one, then I don't bring.
You don't bring one, you bring two.
I don't bring because I want to bring two, but my mom said to just bring one.
Okay. So aside from those two toys, Navi, what toys have you got? You're on.
I have many toys, but I just like two of them.
Okay. Can you mention some of your toys as well, Navi? Can you mention some of your toys?
Like uh uh
Like you're on mute. Okay. So what other toys do you have?
mm, I I don't like anything. I just like two of them.
Okay. But do you
Or
have dolls?
cooking toys.
Oh, okay. Cooking things. Okay. What toy do you play with every day? You're on mute, Nabi.
Every day I sleep with two of my
You you just sleep
my
with your two favorite toys, but you don't play with them.
uh
Okay. Where do you play with your toys, Nabi? Where do you play with your toys? You're on mute, Nabi. Where do you play with your toys?
my bedroom.
Okay, so do you take toys to school?
Why today you have a running neck
A running neck, not a running neck, Nabi. It's just that um I
picture.
oh yes, that's nice. Now be careful. Navi, it may hit your eyes. Okay. Now do you take toys to school?
No.
No, you're not allowed to do
Because
so.
I sleep at home and eat at home.
Okay, so who gives you toys? Who gives you toys?
It's my dad and my mom.
Okay, my parents loves to give me toys. Okay, next one. Now we'll talk about animals and pets. Okay, so I know you don't have any pet, Navi, but let's try. If you know how to answer it, you will.
I would say yes. I have a teacup.
No, you have to be serious, Navi. Have you got a pet? Yes.
Teacher, every day in the night there's a small cat outside my house. It
A
doesn't.
black cat. Oh, but that's
I
not a
don't
bad
like.
luck.
I just want a teacup sitting out at my home. It's white.
And it's white. Oh, you're dreaming of it. You really love the teacup, Navi. Okay, me too. I love that, but it's very expensive, Navi. I can't afford a teacup. Okay, so have
When
you
I
got a
buy
pet?
two, I will beep 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 taxi go to the Philippines.
Okay, you will send me a picture of your teacup one day. Okay, have you got a pet, Navi? No. Okay, so you will say, no, I haven't. Okay. No, I
I
haven't. Okay, so, but if you have a pet, Navi, what would it be? If you have a pet, what would it be? It would be a,
bring. I will bring the pet to the mail.
okay, so I think I know your answer. You will have, if you have a pet, you will have a teacup Pomeranian. Okay, so what will you name it? Will you name it Navi?
When it's uh uh um a girl, I will name it Lily.
Really? Okay, that's a nice name. What about if it's a boy?
No, I name it Mimi.
Mimi? Mimi if a girl. If a boy?
The boy is
Michael? What will be its name if
it's
it's a boy? Mumu. Mimi Mumu. What would be its name? Mumu? Are you serious? Okay. Aside from dogs,
it's
Nabi,
Lulu.
Lulu. Okay. Now, what animal do you like, Navi, aside from dogs?
I don't like anymore. I like dolphins and teddy bear. Teddy dolphin and teddy bear. I will let the dog play with two of that.
What about bunny?
I don't like the teacup.
Oh, you don't like bunnies. You only love teacups. Okay. I see, Navi. What? Okay. Do you like dogs, cats, and rabbits?
I just like dogs, teacup.
Okay. Specifically, teacup, Pomeranian. Where do you see animals, Navi? Where can we see animals?
At the zoo
Okay, at the zoo? Just at the zoo?
or at the some place who give the pet to other people.
Okay, yes. Or at home, even at home. In the farm, Navi, you can see them as well. Okay,
Yeah,
so,
like when I sleep, there's a box and they write teacup.
oh, you should ask your mom. You should tell your mom about that. Teacup.
Or I will take scissors out and I see five.
Oh, you see five? That's a lot, Navi. Just one is enough, Navi. Okay, you should tell your mom about that. Okay. Now, so if you have a teacup Pomerania, Navi, what do you do with your pet?
My
What will you
mom
do with it?
said one is take care of me, and two is take care of the dog.
Yes. So, if you have a dog, Navi, what would you do with it? Are you going to walk with it? No, you can't walk with your teacup. You have to carry it. What will you do with it?
I play with it.
Oh, you'll just play with it. Okay, you'll play hide and seek with it, Navi.
It will be cry.
Oh, where is Navi? And when it is your pet's turn to hide, you can see it because it's so small. Okay, so that is all it for animals, Navi, pets and animals. Now let us talk about food and drink. Can you tell me what is your favorite food?
It's
What is your favorite food?
it's pasta and pizza.
Oh, pasta and pizza. Wow, very delicious ones, Navi. What did you eat for breakfast?
Uh, what fruit do you like the best?
What, Navi?
What fruit do you like the best?
Fruit. Oh, you don't like my favorite fruit, Navi. Pineapple.
I like grape.
Yes, you like grapes, you like apples, you like
I like
watermelon.
all.
Yes,
I like all,
except
but not.
avocado. You don't like avocado. You said you
I
like all
do
and you
like
don't like avocado.
and pineapple.
What about this one, Navi? Do you like it? Durian?
Yes,
Yes, you love durian? Oh, interesting, Navi. Because some people they would say it smells bad. It smells like
do
a
you
poop.
like it?
Yes, I love it too.
Why? They,
It tastes really good, right?
but why they say it smell like a poop?
Because it smells bad. For people who don't like it, Navi, they would say it smells bad. But it doesn't smell bad, right?
Teacher, I know one place had a pink durian.
Oh, is there a pink durian?
Yes, yes, you said pink durian.
Really? Oh, is this is this real? Oh, really? I haven't seen a pink durian in the Philippines, Navi. Oh, okay, but it's far, Navi. I see. Thank you so much for that. Now, can you tell me what did you eat for breakfast?
I eat I eat noodles.
Just noodles for breakfast, Navi?
Yes,
What
noodles
about
and
for
meat.
lunch? Oh, noodles and meat. What about for lunch now? What will
Every
your
day
mom cook?
I have a different of food. I cannot know.
Oh, okay. You have a different food every day. Okay, that's great, Navi. What food don't you like, Navi?
What?
What food don't you like?
Avocado and a pineapple.
No, not fruit, just food.
No, every food I like, but avocado and a pineapple.
Oh, you don't like them. Okay, wait, let me show it to you. Do you know this
My
one? Do
my
you have this one, Navi?
my
Do you have
my
this?
my my the eggs is the my younger my cousin is uh the eggs is the easiest food everyone can eat, right?
Yeah.
But my cousin, the small cousin, 1 years old of me, beating like this of this egg.
What is that? What is this, Navi? Egg. Oh, he's allergic to eggs. Okay.
She is 0 years old. She is allergic with eggs.
Okay, she's allergic
But
to
but
eggs.
I don't but I don't know what is that word real. I don't seen any people be allergic.
No, some people they are indeed allergic to some
I
food.
but I but I never seen every people be.
Hmm. Okay, wait, let me
I want
see.
to see.
Egg allergy. Okay, wait. Reaction. This is what happens, Navi, if you are allergic to something and you still insist on eating it. See? That is what will happen, Navi. So it's
But
best
but
to avoid
but
it.
my youngest sister just eat one bit
Mm. Oh,
because when she eats it just zero.
oh, okay. Now, Navi, it's time
Now
already.
she is eat rice, but
Oh,
small, tiny.
tiny. Okay, small ones. Thank you, Navi. Goodbye, Navi.
Ở chúng tôi